Let's look at the graphic symbols of civil components. I'm going to zoom in on this particular page. So in this column we have what the feature is, the name of the feature, and then we have these examples of what the feature looks like in reality, and then there's a computerized version that they give it. And then these two columns here at the end, they are extremely important. This is the view in the plan, this is the view from the top, and this is the view from the front, right? And we look at the first one, which is your bath, and I'm going to underline bath, and I'm hoping that you're going to underline and highlight with me as well. You're not really interested in these two columns here, because that is just the computerized symbol and the actual true example. You need to look at how the symbol is drawn in the SANS format, and there is a rectangular box with a trap circle there from the top view, and then that is what it looks like in the slanted side here and the straight side there in the front view. Let's look at a bidet. A bidet is very similar to a water closet, which is a toilet. Basically, it cleanses basically someone that has just completed his toilet duties. So a bidet basically refers to this type of symbol here, where it's a rectangular shape within a rectangular shape, and then there's a little trap there for the water to actually exit. This is what it looks like, a bidet in the front view format. Then we look at the wash basin, hand wash basin, and that is what it looks like in reality. And there you have a little rectangular box and a little trap for the water trap there, and that is basically what it looks like from the front view. Let's look at the wash tub. This is something that you will find outside of your house when you do washing and you don't have a washing machine. Then you use a wash tub, preferably in the olden days. There is basically the symbol of a wash tub, very similar to the previous symbol. The only difference is that there is a single line in the middle that indicates a slanted part there. That is what it looks like in reality. Sorry, not in reality. That is what it looks like from the front view. Then we have the water closet, which is basically a toilet. Everybody's familiar with a toilet. This is the symbol for a toilet. That part there, which is that small rectangular shape here, refers to the cistern, which is the flushing unit, and that refers to the pan part. This is what it looks like. It has a square box and a triangular base. Let's move to the shower. The shower looks like that. It's preferably in a corner, so you will have a square box with a trap, water trap in the corner, as you can see it there. Or it doesn't matter which corner you put it in, but it has to be in the corner as the SAN symbol, and that is what it looks like. The base at the bottom on the floor for the shower base, as an indication of the view on the elevation. Let's go to the next group of items. The sink you will find in the kitchen. In this particular instance, it's a single bowl sink. That is what it looks like. That is the SAN symbol, a long sort of rectangle and another rectangle on the inside, preferably to the side, indicating the bowl, and then the little trap there in that end, or that space there. Then you will find a double line that indicates this part over there, the tray part, and then the bowl part would just be the bottom rectangle that you see attached to the double lines over there. And then you will have a double bowl, which is very similar It's just that it has an addition to the single, which causes it to be a double bulb like that. Then the last two are very important. It's a urinal. You have a slab stall type urinal, which is basically found in males' bathroom, particularly at schools, where you have boys who can go to the bathroom in groups and use the bathroom. This is what it looks like. That is the view from the top. It is a rectangular, longish type of box, and it has a triangular shaped inside part, and there's a little trap, one trap that you will see there on the inside, and that's very important, that trap that I'm focusing on, and I'm going to highlight it there. And this is what it looks like from the front. You will see that this space here refers to that space there, that space refers to that space, and this space refers to that space if you view it from this view there. Okay, and then not to forget these bottom rectangular parts there as well. Then you will have a urinal, which is basically a wall mounted. You will find these in many of the public bathrooms, the male public bathrooms at various shopping malls. It's attached to the wall where you can actually stand instead of going into a water closet, a cubicle for a water closet. So you're looking at the symbol as a triangle with a trap there, which is seen from the top, and then a symbol similar to the water closet. The only difference is slightly wider, and there's a line which is absent now, which is present in the water closet but which is absent from the urinal. So take a look at all of these components. These two columns on the end, they are particularly important for you to know how to draw these things when you are going to be busy with civil and various civil components.